If you have ADHD, you know this feeling. You can't focus on something for 5 minutes. But then suddenly, you're locked into a task for 5 hours, forgetting food, time, people, everything. This isn't random. It isn't laziness. And it definitely isn't a flaw. This is hyperfocus, one of the most powerful ADHD strengths. And today, I'll explain exactly what it is, why it happens, and how to use it as a real-life superpower. What hyperfocus actually is. Hyperfocus is the ADHD brain entering a deep, tunnel vision state where distractions disappear and your mind becomes a laser. It's not focus the way neurotypical people experience it. It's more like this: full immersion, time blindness, high creativity, zero awareness of surroundings, maximum problem solving, dopamine locked onto one target. Your brain isn't unfocused. It's interest-based, not importance-based. Meaning, you don't focus because something should be done. You focus when something lights your brain up. And when it does, you become unstoppable. Why hyperfocus happens? ADHD brains have lower baseline dopamine. This makes boring tasks feel physically painful, but interesting tasks feel like rocket fuel. When something triggers your dopamine, a new idea, a challenge, a creative problem, a game, pressure, or urgency, your brain floods with stimulation. That's when hyperfocus kicks in. It's not a bug. It's your brain entering maximum performance mode. Athletes call this the zone. ADHD people call it Thursday afternoon at 3 a.m., researching the meaning of old flags of countries that don't even exist anymore. How to use hyperfocus to your advantage. 1. Use the ignition list. Write down 5 to 10 activities that trigger hyperfocus for you. For example, building something, planning a project, designing, gaming, researching, solving problems, creative work, cleaning with music. Once you know your ignition triggers, you can use them intentionally instead of accidentally. 2. Pair unpleasant tasks with dopamine. Turn boring tasks into dopamine tasks. Add a timer, add music, race against the clock, work in sprints, use body doubling, gamify it. Work in a new environment, add rewards, add stakes. This tricks your brain into entering hyperfocus on tasks you normally avoid. 3. Use the switch technique. If you can't start a task, start a different task that your brain wants to do. Then, ride the dopamine wave and switch to the important task once you're activated. This works because the hardest part for ADHD brains isn't doing the work, it's getting started. 4. Block distractions before you enter hyperfocus. Turn off notifications. Put your phone away. Tell people, "I'll be offline for the next hour." Clear visual clutter. Once hyperfocus hits, it's too late to organize your environment. Set the scene first. 5. Use hyperfocus windows strategically. Every ADHD person has times of day when hyperfocus activates more easily. Late at night, early morning, after exercise, after caffeine, when under pressure, when excited, when inspired. Track your windows for a week, then schedule your deep work during those times. So, let's reframe it. Hyperfocus isn't a symptom. It's a strength, a powerful, rare neurological ability. Non-ADHD brains can't do this. They can't lock in for hours with this level of intensity. They can't create, build, solve, or imagine at this speed. But you can. The world keeps telling you to fix your focus. But maybe you're just focusing on the wrong thing. Your hyperfocus is not the enemy. It's your edge, your leverage, your superpower, if you learn to aim it. So stop trying to be balanced. ADHD brains are not balanced. They're brilliant in bursts. Use those bursts. Build with them. Let them take you somewhere extraordinary. Because once you understand how your mind works, you stop fighting it and you start using it.